Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your phone number on Spiral Bank Online. If you don't have a Spiral account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $50 bonus when you make your first deposit. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a gear icon at the upper part of the screen. Click on the gear icon. Then several options will appear. Click on the option that says My Profile. On this page, you will see a section for phone. Click on your current phone number. Now, enter the new phone number you wish to use. Then click on Save Number. To confirm, a verification code will be sent to the new phone number you provided. Once you receive the code, enter it on the field provided. That's how you change your phone number on Spiral Bank Online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.